Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to change sound mode on your HISENSE TV. So first let's start off by going into the settings. Now in the settings go to the sound, and in the sound mode we have the standard right now, so here we can basically change it to theater, music, speech, late night or sports. So basically it'll try to optimize the sound for every single one of these. So for theater, music, speeches, late nights and sports. So here you guys can choose it. Let's say you want to listen to some music, click music, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.